Good morning, students. In the previous session, we have learnt about Henry Moseley and the law given by him. Today, we will learn about how the modern periodic table has been constructed. Let's revise the modern periodic law. The physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic functions of the electronic configuration of their atoms. Construction of modern periodic table. This periodic table is known as long form of the periodic table. It is the graphical representation of Aufbau principle. They are divided into 18 groups and 7 periods. First, groups. Vertical columns in the periodic table are called groups. They are 18 groups. They were represented by Roman numeral 1 to 8 with letters A and B in traditional form. According to latest recommendations of the IUPAC, these groups are represented by Arabic numerals 1 to 18 with no A and B designations. Example, Group 2 and Group 16. They are written in Arabic numerals. Group of elements is also called element family or chemical family. You can see that there are 18 groups. First group, Group 1A elements are called alkali metals family. Alkali means plant ash. Example, sodium, potassium were obtained from plant ash. The elements in this group are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Group 2. Second group also called as alkali or alkaline earth metal family. The elements in this group are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. In this group, the elements have 2 electrons in their valence shell. Why they are called as alkaline earth metals? From magnesium to radium, their oxides and hydroxides are basic in nature and they are found in the earth crust. Only beryllium is not alkali earth metal because its oxides and hydroxides are amphoteric in nature. What is amphoteric nature? It means it acts as acid as well as base. 13th group, that is boron family. Boron is very hard element. Its oxides are in acidic nature. The elements in this group are boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium and newly discovered element is nihonium. 14th group, carbon family. Carbon of group 14th occurs in free state and combined state in nature. All living systems contain carbon. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, hormones, nucleic acids, etc. All contain carbon. In this group elements are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead and flerovium. 15th group, nitrogen family. The elements in this group are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. 16th group, oxygen family or chalcogen family. Chalcogenous means ore product as the elements in group 16 form ores with metals. They are called chalcogenous family. The elements in this group are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium and livermorium. 17th group, halogen family. Halos means sea salt. Genus means produced. As most of the elements in group 17 are obtained from nature as sea salt, they are called as halogen family. In this group, the elements are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. 18th group, noble gases. As the elements of group 18th are chemically least active, they are called as noble gases. Their outer shell electronic configurations are basis for octet rules. In this group, the elements are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. The second one is periods. The horizontal rows in periodic table are called periods. There are 7 periods in the modern periodic table. These periods are represented by Arabic numerals 1 to 7. The number of main shells present in the atom of particular element decides to which period it belongs. Example, hydrogen, helium contain only one main shell, that is K. Therefore, they belongs to period 1. In the second period, elements are lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. Contain two main shells, K and L, in their atom. The number of elements in period depends on how electrons are filled into various shells. Each period starts with a new main shell S, subshell, and ends when the main shell is filled with respect to the S and P subshells, except the first period. In first period, it starts with K shell. First period contains only two elements, hydrogen 1s1, helium 1s2. Second period starts with L. It has two subshells, namely 2s and 2p. 8 types of configuration are possible, 2s1 to 2s2 and 2p1 to 2p6. Second period consists 2 s block elements, lithium, beryllium. 6 p block elements, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. Total 8 elements. Third period starts with third main shell M. It has 3 subshells, namely 3s, 3p, and 3d. But while electrons are being filled into the shell, 3d gets electrons only after 4s is filled. In third period, 8 elements are present. Sodium and magnesium are S black elements. Aluminium to argon are P black elements. Fourth main shell, it has 4 shells, namely 4s, 4p, 4d, and 4f. But electrons enter the atoms in the order 4s, 3d, and 4p. Due to this, it contains 18 elements, which include 2 elements of S black elements, potassium and calcium, 10 D black elements, scandium to xenon, 6 P black elements, gallium to krypton. Total 18 elements. In the fifth period, rubidium to xenon, there are 18 elements. In the sixth period, cesium to radon, there are 32 elements. 2 are S black, 14 F black, 10 D black, 6 P black. 4 F elements are called lanthanides. Elements from cerium to lutetium possesses almost the same properties as lanthanium. Seventh period is incomplete and contains 2 elements S black, 14 elements F black, 10 D black, some elements P black. 5 elements are called actinoids. They are from thorium to lawrencium. The F black elements known as lanthanides and actinides are shown separately at the bottom of the periodic table.